Hello everyone. Today we will learn about fractions. What is fractions? I think you have known about this. Fractions is a number represent a part of a whole. When something is broken up into a number of parts, the fraction shows how many of those parts you have. To make it easier, we will see this example. When you buy a pizza and then you divide it into two, you give one part into your brother or sister and the other part is for yourself. So a half is called a fraction. A half means one pizza divided into two parts. Fractions consist of numerator and denominator. Numerator in bahasa you can call it as pembilang and denominator as penyebut. First example, we see there are a picture which is represent a fractions 4 over 6. 4 is for the shade area with the color orange and 6 is because there are 6 rectangles there. And the second picture, we see that a circle divided into 8 parts, which is 5 part of the triangle with the color blue, and 8 is because there are 8 triangles there. So the picture is 5 over 8. Now we would like to know about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions is two fractions which has same value. So, for example, here I give you two pizza. Let's see, the first pizza I divided into 6 and the second pizza I divided into 2. The first pizza, the three parts I give topping mushroom. But the second pizza, I give one part only for the topping mushroom. So actually they have the same size and the same part for the mushroom topping. So it means a half and 3 over 6 is equivalent fractions. Now, after you know about equivalent fractions, now we try to simplify the fraction. Simplifying the fraction, it means we make a big number into the simplest form. For example here, 2 over 6, it becomes 1 over 3. Why? Because we divided 2 over 6 with the same number, that is 2 over 2. And 2 over 4, we also divided with the biggest number, that is 2. So it becomes a half. And for the third, we divided 12 over 16 with 4 over 4. Because 12 and 16, it can be divided with the biggest same number, that is 4. So it has the simplest form, 3 over 4. Now, after you know what is fractions, let's try to compare the fractions. I give you two examples. Here, I have a fractions 5 over 7 and 3 over 7. Which one is the bigger? Just see, if the numerator is different, you just need to see 5 and 3. Which one is bigger? Of course, it is 5, right? So just eat the 5. So the sign will be like this. And if you have 1 over 5 and 3 over 5, See which one is bigger, 1 or 3. So 3 is the bigger. Just eat 3. So 5/7 with 3/7, the bigger fractions is 5/7. And for 1/5 with 3/5, 3/5 is the bigger fractions.